Energy moves through the body like water flowing down the pools of a creek. If left alone, it flows cleanly and without obstruction. The 7 chakra system is an ancient energy model that comes from manuscripts dated as far back as the 1200s and was popularized in the West in the 1920s. To help cleanse energy and release emotional obstructions, practitioners use crystals and gemstones, each said to vibrate at a unique frequency, to activate, amplify, and fine-tune energies in a specific chakra. Although there is no scientific proof that crystals and gemstones work as medicine, they have been used for thousands of years to aid in meditation and to balance emotional, physical, and spiritual energies. Each chakra is associated with a physical point in the body that can become blocked by a specific kind of emotional distress. The first chakra, the root chakra, is at the base of the spine. It is responsible for feelings of safety, survival, and security. When blocked, fear is generally the culprit. Red and black crystals and gemstones, such as obsidian, garnet, and smoky quartz, are deeply entwined with this chakra. They have protective properties that repel negative energy and help to strengthen your connection to the earthly plane. The second chakra, the Sacral Chakra, is located in the pelvic area rooted in the spine. This chakra houses pleasure and intimacy and can become blocked by guilt. The sunny, orangey hues of carnelian, sunstone, and coral are used to help in accepting reality and staving off negativity. If you want to be a kind and positive influence in the world, first you must learn to be kind to and forgive yourself. The third chakra, the solar plexus, is in the abdomen. It houses willpower and passion and can become blocked by shame or self-doubt. The warm hues of tiger eye, amber, and yellow calcite possess purifying properties to shine light into such darkness and encourage confidence and self-reliance. The fourth chakra, the heart chakra, is just as it sounds, in the heart. It is where love for self and others resides. To help clear the heart chakra, soothing and healing green crystals and gemstones, such as aventurine, jade, and peridot, are most often used. The fifth chakra, the throat chakra, is also, as it sounds, in your throat. This is where the need to speak your truth resides, and is most often blocked by feeling silenced, secrets, and lies we tell ourselves or others. Blue stones, such as turquoise, blue lace agate, and sodalite, can help in healing, so you may accept who you are at core and embrace yourself, giving you the strength to speak your truth. The sixth chakra, the third eye chakra, is centered in your forehead. This is where insight lives and can be blocked by illusion or self-deception. Deep blues and purples, such as lapis lazuli and purple fluorite, can help you unblock this chakra, opening your third eye to that truth and any other truth you are not seeing. The seventh chakra, the crown chakra, is at the top of your body, in the crown of your head. This is your center for pure cosmic energy and is most often blocked by unhealthy attachment. This is where the soul is said to reside and where the inward flow of universal knowledge connects us to the divine. Topaz and amethyst are most often used to clear any blocks here and to fine-tune this chakra to enhance meditation, to more easily observe and release attachments that obstruct your highest good. How should you use this ancient practice of chakra energy clearing with the resonance of crystals and gemstones? The answer is simple. However it feels right for you. Some believers place them around their homes, add them to bath water, utilize them in Reiki, or carry them on their bodies. Many wear them in expressive and functional jewelry as a beautiful reminder of their dedication to the pursuit of clean, clear, and free-flowing energy.